Hi children, how are you? I hope that you are fine and you are busy with your academics. Are you children? Hopefully ma. Okay ma. So in last two classes we are doing the conversions ma. So we are converting the kilometers into meters in the first class, and the second class ma what we did ma, we did the vice versa of that one, converting the meters into kilometers. So today we are going to convert the meters into centimeters ma, the third phase ma. So we are going to convert meters into centimeters. Let's start the class children. Okay children, so we are going to convert the meters into centimeters. Okay children, so for 1 meter how many centimeters children? How many ma? 100 centimeters. Okay children, so here which is the biggest measuring unit ma? Among these two, which is the biggest one? Meters is the biggest one. So 1 meter, if you divide it into 100 equal parts, each part is a centimeter. So meters is the biggest one. So centimeter is the smaller than meters. So we are converting big to small. So what we need, which mathematical operation we are going to use this one ma? When we are converting kilometers to meters, kilometer is a big, meter is a small measuring unit compared to kilometer. So what we used ma, we used multiplication. Here also we are using the same ma. What we are using ma, we are using multiplication. Just recall these 2 points children. What ma, whenever you are converting that one, whenever you are converting, so big to small in the conversions, which operation you are using ma, you are using multiplication. Okay children, or if you are converting the small measuring unit into big measuring unit, small measuring into big measuring unit, what you need to use ma, you need to use division. Okay children, these two are important points ma. Okay ma, this is the first point. Just recall this one whenever you are doing the conversations. Okay, conversion, whenever you, okay children, whenever you need to want to convert anything, so first observe either big to small or small to big. So whenever you need to convert big to small, you need to do multiplication. So from small to big, you need to do division. Okay children, here in today's class what we are going to do ma, we are converting meter into centimeters, meter into centimeters. That means big to small. So we are using the multiplication only. 1 meter is equal to how much children? How much ma? 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Just recall these 2 points ma. So whenever convert big to small, we need multiplication, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay children, let's move to the sums children. So conversion of meters into centimeters. 1 meter is equal to how much ma? 100 centimeters. So what the sums ma? Convert the following into centimeters. So we are going to convert that into centimeters. Okay children, so 5 meters, you have to convert 5 meters into centimeters. So 5 meters, how can I write ma? 5 into 1 meter. Okay children, 5 into 1 meter is equal to how? Okay ma, 5 into 1 meter. I divide 5 into 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters children? 100 centimeters. Okay ma, 5 into 100, how much ma? 500 centimeter. Very easy na children? Okay children, let's move to the next sum. What is this ma? 12 meters. So first what we have to do ma, we need to divide into 2 parts. 12 into 1 meter. Why we are using 1 here? Because if you multiply anything with 1, you get the same number. 12 into 1 it means 12 only. 12 into 1 meter, that means that is 12 meters. Okay children, 12 into, bring 1 meter is equal to how much children? 100 centimeters. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now you have to multiply 12 into 100. How much ma? That is equal to 1200. that means 1200 centimeters. Okay children, is that clear? Move to the third sum children. 27 meters. So first what we are doing, 27 into 1 meter, that is equal to 27. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters ma? 100 centimeters. So 27 into 100 is equal to 2700. That means 2700 centimeters. Move to the fourth sum children. So here what is the sum children? 5 meters and 32 centimeters. What is the sum? 5 meters 32 centimeters. So here I am dividing this sum into two parts. How I divide ma? 5 meters plus 32 centimeters. And what he said to convert into centimeters. So this is already in centimeters ma. So no need to convert 32. We need to convert 5 meters only. Okay children. So how I write ma? 5 into meter means 5 meter is equal to 5 into 1 meter plus 32 centimeters. Okay children. 5 1 is 5. Oh sorry. 5 into 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters ma? 100 centimeters. Okay children, plus 32 centimeter. Okay children, 5 into 100 how much ma? 5 into 100 is equal to 500 centimeter plus 32 centimeter. So now observe this one ma, this is also in centimeters, this is also in centimeters. Both numbers are in centimeters. So simply you have to add ma. 500 plus 32. How much ma? 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 3, 3. When you add anything with 0, you get the same number, 532. Okay children, 532 centimeters. Okay children, do you understand ma? Let's move to the next sum. So what is this number children? 42 meters 56 centimeters. First we are dividing into two parts. 42 meters plus 56 centimeters. Okay children, 42 meters plus 56 centimeters. So this is in centimeters only. So we need to convert this one. What is this ma? 42 meters. So for 1 meter, how many centimeters ma? 100 centimeters. First I divided into 42 into 1 meter. Okay ma? Plus bring down the 56 centimeters children. 42 into 1 meter. So 42, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters ma? 100 centimeters. Plus 56 centimeters. Okay ma? 42 into 100, 4200. That means 4200 centimeters. 56 centimeters. Okay children, here we convert the meters, 42 meters into 4200 centimeters ma. Now you need to add these two numbers. When you add, what you get ma? 4200 plus 56. What you get? 4256 centimeters. Okay children. Okay children, so 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters ma? 100 centimeters. Okay children. Okay children, move to the next sum children. What is this? 372 meters plus 56 centimeters. Okay ma? Okay, so first what we are doing, we are dividing into two parts. 372 meters plus 56 centimeters. Okay ma? So we need to convert this one na ma? 372 meters. So 372 into 1 meter plus 56 centimeters. Okay ma? So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters plus 56 centimeter. Okay ma? So 372 into 100 is equal to 372 okay ma? Centimeter plus 56 centimeters. So now both are in centimeters only na, simply we need to add ma. 37,200 plus 56. So what we get ma? 37,256 centimeters. Okay children? Okay children, I hope that you understood ma. Keep practicing ma. Thank you very much ma.